Welcome to Invest Avenue, where we delve into the world of investments and seek insights from renowned individuals in the financial industry. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from the legendary investor and philanthropist, Warren Buffett. In this segment, a viewer named Ed Boyle from Chicago poses a question about Warren and his business partner Charlie Munger's interest in acquiring a professional sports team or sports equipment manufacturing company. Let's hear Warren's response.
My name's Ed Boyle, and I'm from Chicago. My question's for Warren and Charlie. Do you ever have any plans, or would you be interested in buying a professional sport team or sports equipment manufacturing company? Being that sports is in a global world today, or is this out of the Berkshire game?
Warren's already done it.
I owned a quarter of a minor league team, but it's not responsible for my position on the Forbes 400. The answer to your question about buying a sports team is no. In fact, if Charlie and I, if you read that either one of us is buying a sports team, it may be time to talk about successors. Sports equipment has generally not been a very good business, although obviously Nike's done incredibly well in its overall operation. But we own Spalding, we own Russell, and Spalding has been around a long, long time. A.G. Spalding, I forget when the hell he was. I think he was trying to take baseball to the rest of the world back in the 1880s or something like that. But it's, generally speaking, if you look at the people that have made golf equipment, footballs, helmets particularly, baseball gloves, baseballs, it's not been a particularly profitable business. And certain aspects of it, like helmets, the last thing Berkshire should do is own a helmet company. A helmet company should be owned by some guy that owes about $1 million and doesn't have a dime to his name, because he is not going to be a target, and we would be the ultimate target. That's the reason we used to be, but we had no interest in, and we got offered the chance to buy the whole place. And the idea of owning a business that provided guards at airports, when anything that went wrong, you're going to say that it was the guard's fault. And here's this super rich corporation around there that is a perfect target. I mean, a guard company at airports, again, should be owned by somebody whose net worth does not get out to two figures. So that you won't see much of us in the sports arena.
Whatever Warren thinks about sports teams ownership, I like it less.
While Warren Buffett acknowledges the global prominence of sports and the potential profitability of certain aspects of the industry, he reiterates that Berkshire Hathaway's focus remains on their core investment principles. The renowned investor prefers to steer clear of sports team ownership and sports equipment manufacturing, citing their historical lack of profitability and the inherent risks involved. As we continue on Invest Avenue, we can appreciate Warren Buffett's steadfast commitment to his investment philosophy and the prudence with which he evaluates potential ventures.